Now, regarding the surgical treatment of a cholangiocarcinoma, there are some algorithms which we actually have to follow. But the surgical treatment can be laparoscopic surgical treatment, or it can be open surgical treatment. So first, you can also put the patient and prepare the patient for a diagnostic laparoscopy if the CT and MRCP is not very much helpful, endoscopic ultrasound is not very much helpful in the staging of the tumor, then you can go for diagnostic laparoscopy. And then you have to do the radical cholecystectomy most of the time for the tumors which are located in a fundus in a body and there is no involvement of extrahepatic channels and bile ducts are safe. Then what you can do is you can do the radical cholecystectomy or radical resection of the tumor. And then you have to look for the margins as well. If they come out to be positive or negative, then you have to follow the same principle. And if the margins came out to be positive, then you have to go for re-resection, reablation, or putting your patient on a chemotherapy. So cholecystectomy, open or laparoscopic cholecystectomy, staging laparoscopy, which is diagnostic laparoscopy, and explorative laparotomy are the options which are responsible, which you have to consider for the cholangiocarcinoma. There are a few algorithms which you need to follow, okay? So if the gallbladder is diagnosed by histopathology and you are very much well sure about the T status by pathology, and imaging, ultrasonography, and CT and MRI is going to help you with the staging. And if the stage is actually T1A, that means the carcinoma is, that's above the lamina propria, then what you can do is you can go for the local resection. And if the margins came out to be negative, then no treatment is required. And if the margins came out to be positive, then you have to go for re-resection or you have to go for re-exploration. Now, if the tumors are beyond the lamina propria, they can be T1, B2, 3, there is extensive invasion, then go for exploration. And if the tumor is resectable, go for resection or go for radical cholecystectomy. And if the tumor is unresectable, then you have to put the patient on a palliative treatment or a supportive care. So the tumors which are not which have not invaded the lamina propria, and you can go for cholecystectomy, okay, with the negative margins. But if the margins again came out to be positive, then you have to go for re-exploration. And for unresectable tumors, you have to put your patient on a chemotherapy, or you have to give a proper palliative treatment. And if there is a metastasis to that, then again, the palliative treatment and a supportive care is the treatment of the choice you have left with. Now, another important thing is like if you were doing a cholecystectomy and there was not identifiable mass, or you were just thinking that there was a polyp, and then you're sending this specimen for histopathology and incidental diagnosis of the gallbladder cancer and pathology review. And if it's limited to the lamina propria, that's T1A, then just observe. No further workup is required. Just observe and call for proper follow-ups, like 6 months for all follow-ups. So no indication for adjuvant treatment. If the tumor invades the muscular layer or greater, then you should go for multiphasic CT or MRI, because it's going to help you stage the tumor. And then you have to consider the staging laparoscopy. And if in the staging laparoscopy there is no evidence of disease or localized resectable tumor, if there is no evidence of metastatic disease and the diseases came out to be local resectable, then you have to go for hepatic resection and you have to go for lymphadenectomy, and you have to combine it with the adjuvant therapy. Now, if there is a metastatic disease or it's localized, but it's not resectable, it's already invaded to the portal vein or superior mesenteric artery, common hepatic, then you have to discuss the systemic therapy. You have to put your patient on a chemotherapy. So follow these algorithms, because again, if the tumor is already, you took a biopsy and that came out to be positive, then you have to plan the surgery accordingly. You have to go for radical resection of the tumor. and then like radical cholecystectomy. But if there is incidental finding in that you were suspecting a polyp, but on biopsy it came out to be cancer, then you have to observe your patient. Okay, for the if the stage is T1A, that means that above the lamina propria. And then you have to observe and call for follow-ups, and there's no need for adjuvant treatment. But if it has invaded the lamina propria, and then you have to see if the tumor is local resectable or not. If local resectable, go for hepatic resection or lymphadenectomy, and combining with the adjuvant treatment depending upon the nodal status. And then if the tumor is not resectable or it's locally advanced or metastasized, then you have to consider the systemic treatment, and you have to put your patient on a proper chemotherapy regimen.